Is your HP printer not connecting to Wi-Fi? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to reconnect your HP printer to a wireless network step by step. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. If your HP printer was previously connected to wireless but lost connection, or if you want to connect it to a new network, there are several ways to do it. If your printer comes with a touchscreen display, you can easily connect it to Wi-Fi using the Wireless Setup Wizard. Start by opening the Wireless Settings menu from the printer screen. The exact steps may vary depending on your printer model. On most older printers, tap the wireless icon or option. Then select Settings, followed by Wireless Setup Wizard. On newer models, go to Setup, then Network Setup and choose Wireless Settings. After that, tap on Wireless Setup Wizard. Once opened, select your Wi-Fi network name from the list displayed and enter your password to complete the setup. If you don't see the Wireless Setup Wizard option, try using WPS. Choose Wi-Fi Protected Setup, select Push button and follow the instructions. If this method doesn't work, move to the next option. You can also reconnect your printer by enabling Wi-Fi setup mode and using the HP app. If you don't already have the app, download it for free from your App Store or visit 123.hp.com. Activating Wi-Fi setup mode depends on your printer type. Follow these common methods. For touchscreen printers, open the Wireless or Setup menu and select Restore Network Settings. For printers without a touchscreen, follow these steps based on your model. For InkJet, LaserJet and NeverStop printers, press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons together until the power light starts blinking. The wireless light will blink when the printer is ready for setup. For LaserJet printers, press and hold the wireless button until the attention light begins flashing. If your model isn't included here, check the official guide for detailed steps specific to your printer. Once Wi-Fi setup mode is active, your printer will stay discoverable for up to 2 hours. Open the HP Smart app and tap on Add Printer from the home screen. The app will scan and show available printers nearby. Select your printer from the list when it appears. The app will then begin the setup process automatically. Follow the instructions on your screen to finish connecting your printer to Wi-Fi.